Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about two stocks. One is PPSI, which was up by 34% today, and the other one is ticker symbol LGVN, which was up by 11.8% today. And both of them are very good short squeeze candidate. Yes, LGVN, we know it went to 40.45 at one time. PPSI is up by 34%, but you never know, it can go even higher. And we made some nice alert early morning and we made some money. So anyway, so in this particular video, I will be mainly talking about the price action, support, resistance, how they are looking, their float, their short interest ratio, and also a few other things. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So for PPSI, you can see it was flat until like 1 p.m. Then it started running. Once it went all the way almost close to like 12, came down, moved sideways, again another push, end of the day. So I'm going to talk about more. And by the way, if you like alert with support, resistance, this kind of thing, I invite you to join my Patreon so that you can get access to my Discord, where I give alert with chart showing you the support, resistance. As an example, DWAC was in our watch list for last few days because it was making higher lows, and today it broke around 51. And again, I alerted pre-market. You can see from there it went all the way to like 69-70 bucks, so almost like 35% gain on that particular stock in one day. The other one, CFVI, we are very early. I had been making videos on this one also up from the morning low to a high of 15, almost 15.4, 25%. So anyway, if you like this kind of alert with support, resistance, so just give a try, join my Patreon and get access to my Discord. Also, you can join my YouTube community. Okay, let's talk about PPSI. So this one, let's look at the chart first of all. You can look at the chart. Last time when it went from $3 to $12, we made some trade. I made some videos when it was around 6.4. From 6 it went to 12, almost double your money. A nice home run, came down, moving sideways, and see what happened. Again, another big push towards 12.49. so within a month you see 2-1. So it came down, moved sideways, found a support around 7.27, and you were seeing a 1 hour chart. So the fun started today, like when it was around 8.5, then it started breaking this resistance in this area, right? Then a big volume came. You see here, after the big volume, it went over. When it went over 9.25, I think that time I gave the first alert. Then yeah, within few time, instead of 1 hour, let's have a look on a 5-minute chart. You can see after that point it just kept pushing. There was a resistance around 11.8, hit the resistance, came down, found a support around 10.2, moved sideways, again another push to 11.76, then came down. And why these two lines, 11.8, these things are coming from the previous resistance, right? If you go down, you will see these are some of the lines coming from here. Still, I see if it can go over 12, it might go hit 12.5. we will see lots of social media attention, stock with attention. Sorry, but anyway, after hour it came down a lot. It came down all the way, like breaking the support of 10.2. It came all the way to 9.3 area. We will see if it can go bounce up. If we look at today's volume, you can see the average volume is 15 million. Today's volume is 36 million, so almost like more than 2 times more volume. If you go to Finviz, you can see that the share float is very small, only 3.79 million. It's a low float stock, that is why it can move really fast. Also, I was trying to find the short interest ratio because this is sitting at number 1 on the short squeeze candidate list. And I can't see the numbers here. I see some 24th of November numbers showing 40% short interest. But it is interesting to see here, right? The cost to borrow, the average cost to borrow is 357% with a high of 651%. It's really high. Also, there is currently no shares available to short with the average borrow fee rate of 147%. So if we see more volume tomorrow, again we will see some nice action. Also, if you go to Fintel, you can see the short interest ratio. I think Fintel is showing 40.92%, for the dark pool 57%, no share available. So again, same kind of information. So this is one thing definitely I will be watching tomorrow. I'm holding, I will be seeing how it performs. The other one is LGVN. So they got some FDA approval. If you are following this particular one, you can see it was around $3, went all the way to 14, came down, found a support around 10, big push to 45, came down to 14, another big push to 45, again came down, but this time not 14, double bottom around 17.8, maybe a nice entry if you're planning to enter. From 18 went to 24, came down, again 24, came down, and nicely shaping up. So this is a 1 hour chart. What I see here, it had a double bottom around 17.9, let's say $18. Then yesterday it found a bottom around 19.12, and today it has been going higher. As long it has been making higher lows, as long it is making higher lows, that's a good thing, right? Eventually, if there is more volume, this thing will go there. It will break the 24, 25 area resistance, and I think this thing can run towards 30 and so on. Why it can run really hard? Because of this. If you see, the share float is only 2.91 million. Again, low float stock, very low float. And if you look at the average volume, 37 million. Today's volume was 7 million. So if the float is 3 million, like more and more shares are traded, right? So you see, that is why it can run really fast. If I also go to Fintel, it says only 7.9% short interest. I don't know which one is correct, but most of the places I found the short interest is really high. This is from a Reddit. Someone posted 23 hours ago showing 90% short interest. Some places I found 75%. It doesn't matter, as long it is more than 50%, that's a lot. Also, cost to borrow average is 301%, very high. So these two stock I'm very excited. So LGVN, this can run really hard. So this is one of my thing. Over my Discord I said, if it comes to 18, get some share. In case it comes to 14.5, get some share, because this thing can really run a lot. At the same time, PPSI, after the alert, it was just crazy. It moved 30%. Again, it came down. We will see pre-market, but most probably 9.25 seems like a nice support, and most probably it will go bounce again. It needs volume. See the volume bar here, it was moving, no volume, moving sideways. So end of the day, you need volume. And anyway, the candles I'm using, these are not the regular candle, these are the regular candles, right? But in order to demonstrate, I use this indicator Heiken Aishi. You can see a more nice transition between different candles. Anyway, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, give a try, join my Patreon, get access to my Discord, and let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.